Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust screen brightness in Windows 10. There are multiple easy methods to do this, so make sure you watch till the end. Let's start with the first method. Go to the Start button and click on it. In the search bar, type brightness. Now you will see an option called Change Brightness Level. Click on it. A settings window will open, and here you will see a brightness slider with a line and a circle. You can move the slider left or right to decrease or increase the brightness according to your need. Now, let's move to the second method. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the notification icon. Once it opens, click on Expand. Here you will find the brightness slider again. You can easily adjust the brightness by moving it up or down from here. Now, the third method is using your keyboard. On most laptops, there are special brightness keys, usually on the top row of the keyboard. You will see icons like a sun symbol. Use these keys to increase or decrease the brightness instantly. So that's it. If you like this video, then make sure to give a like to the video, then subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.